Hi, I'm Shane from Function and Fitness Ireland. Here's our second lesson in Power Club Training. So we're going to pick up the club bell as in lesson 1, bring it to the flag holding position. We're going to rest it on the meaty part of the shoulder. So we're going to do a split squat to start with. I'm going to load the club bell on the lead leg, which is the right leg in this case. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me here. Keeping your spine neutral and vertical, you're going to dip down towards the ground, keeping the club bell level with the ground, and then stand back up into a straight leg position. Again, repeating that, bringing the back knee as close as possible to the ground and keeping your core tight and stable. We can add a little rotation. So as you split squat down, you're going to rotate to the right in this case, and then square off as you come back to a tall position. We'll swap sides, transitioning the club across the shoulders to the left side, keeping the left leg forward. So your basic split squat is we're keeping it linear, facing forwards, and then your little progression is to add a rotation to the left leg in this case here. When you stand up, step back. When you've done even amounts on each side, bring the club bell back to the front and then swing it down between the legs and lower it with control. Function and Fitness Ireland, thank you.